So we were debating about when to go to Vegas.
Yeah.
And Caesar's made us an offer.
Hail Caesar!
It is an offer we could not refuse. We're going to win a dream boat.
Ooh! And you know what I'm going to do with that boat?
Then you'll have 2 dream boats.
Oh.
It's funny. It's not that funny.
Okay. I'm going to win 2 boats. Because this is a dream boat. This is like a tugboat. Okay. Well, if I win this boat, I'm going to sell it because I am indoor people.
Yeah, I know. We don't really need a $60,000 boat.
I don't know. It'd be fun.
But it'd be fun to win a $60,000 boat that we didn't really need.
Well, last time we tried to win 2 Mercedes that we didn't need either.
We would have used them though.
I would have sold mine.
What was second place? A couple of Sea-Doos?
No, there's a grand prize of a boat. There's a second. Their first runner-up is a speedboat, and then there's some Sea-Doos, and then there's some free play.
A speedboat and a dream boat. Okay.
Do not describe yourself as either one.
But they also offered us a nice room and a good chunk of resort credit and free play. So
we're going to Vegas in 10 days.
We're going to get our money back.
We left a boatload there. We left a boatload there.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did. Let's go get our money back.
It didn't last very long last time.
The major got us out of the hole, but
Mindy,
didn't win anything.
Mindy won 1 major. It sounds good to say it that way, but it was an $800 major.
I'd rather say major.
But
That's what she said.
anyway.
We're going to Vegas in 10 days.
We're going to Vegas in 10 days.
This train has been fed.
So we're hopefully a lot more restaurants will be open. Things will be getting back a little more to, I hear so much about normal, I hate to say that. But things will be a little funner than last time, and will be a little winnier than last time.
Whinier, winnier. It'll be 3 months since the last time we went, so I'm sure a lot has changed. We were there right after they opened.
It's been 3 months since I had a good espresso martini.
You could not make one of those.
we go to Vegas, and I'll try to recreate a recipe, or I did a good job of caramel apple crepes. And Mindy can make a steak like they do in Vegas, which is awesome. I tried recreating the espresso martinis. There's 100 recipes online. None of them come out like the ones in Vegas. And last time I was there, I even asked a bartender, and he wrote down 2 different recipes for me.
We're not.
They were awful.
You cannot make an espresso martini, and I will not taste another sample.
I don't know what. I know who can help us.
Who?
Tips and Tricks and PJ.
Really?
Worth a shot.
All right.
He's always making drinks. Maybe we can talk them into giving us a good espresso martini recipe challenge. Boom. Anyway, I am looking forward to the espresso martinis.
For breakfast.
Yes, they make excellent breakfast drink. loaded with. And obviously, I don't know what's in them.
No, you don't know what's in them.
The ones in Vegas are so smooth, and mine have such a bite to them. But the ones in Vegas have a lot of alcohol. I don't get it. I don't know how they do that.
We'll just have to keep going back until you get it.
Okay, if I get it this time, we're done. Right?
No.
No.
Nope. Nope. Can't get all that easy.
And this time, we're going to hang on to our phones.
I should tie mine just around my neck so I do not lose it this time.
We're going to get Mindy one of those little keychain things and connect it to her phone.
I would
Tether.
I would lose the keychain.
Tether her to her phone.
I got it back.
I had to tip a cab driver $50 to come back across town.
I would have paid him double.
But we got it back.
Because we started out our vacation, we were supposed to spend a week at the Flamingo. Did not have a very pleasant beginning there, so we decided to switch midstream and change our luck. Ended the rest of the week at the Bellagio. Took a nap every day. Watched Tom buy $10 Cokes out of the mini bar.
They have very comfortable beds at the Bellagio.
The mini fridge was closer than.
And they have very long hallways at the Bellagio. We were in a corner suite, and the walk to the soda machine was a half a mile.
Half a mile.
And when you get there, you find out they don't take credit cards, and it doesn't take a $5 bill. So I walked back and forth a couple of times and finally said, a $10 Coke is not a bad deal. Especially after you walk a mile and a half. Wonder, do the restaurants still close down early?
On the weekends, I think there's more of them open, but I think most of them close about 10 o'clock.
We're going to be there on the weekend.
Yes.
That's unusual for us.
Yes. But there'll be a lot more open. Last time we were there, we started on a weekend, and then we were there during the week.
We like to go Monday through Thursday or Friday and avoid the crowds.
There's not too many of them these days.
We're not woo-hooers.
Woo-hooers. Speak for yourself.
We are not woo-hooers. We're going to show you what bars are open. We hear a lot about bars aren't open, but a lot of them are.
You just have to serve food or snacks.
So
something that resembles a snack. Whatever they call a snack.
I'd like a espresso martini and a
cookie. Because you can get a cookie.
A can of Pringles.
I want to get a warm mimosas at the Bellagio when they bring you your own little bottle of champagne.
They make you feel special.
They do make you feel. I can't even talk. Feel special. I feel special.
Just talking about them makes her drunk. Tongue tied.
And got out at the piano bar. That's where we hung out every night when we were there.
Yeah, the schedule's not up yet.
Yeah.
Hopefully Whitney will be playing.
Yeah.
We'll go to a few bars and show you what's open. We'll go to the disco. No. Do they have discos?
At our favorite restaurant that's not open, they have a disco ball.
Oh.
And they have a DJ open the weekend, but it's not open. So, very disappointed. I was hoping it'd be open by now.
They kind of have a disco ball ironically, don't they? Italian joint with a disco ball.
Can we order one? It's in Vegas. You can order anything to your room.
A disco ball?
Let's order a disco ball.
Make one.
We had a dance floor last time at the entrance to our suite.
Yeah.
You just need a disco ball.
We're rambling about nothing.
I still have my gift cards from that event too. I keep forgetting for us to spend them, so we have $200 in gift cards. And
We got $200 in gift cards, and Mindy still has them.
I keep forgetting we have them, but we have them from February when we went to the BMW event. So we should spend those.
Somebody message us in 11 days and remind us to use our gift cards. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, hit that button so that you can see our upcoming trip.
See if we win a boat.
See if we win a boat. See if we win a Sea-Doo.
Okay, Gilligan.
Or see if Mindy gets 2 dream boats.
See how many martinis you can drink. See if you can outdrink me.
Yeah.